Welcome back to the Android development tutorial for beginners series. In this video, I am going to speak about some of the basic features of Android Studio to kickstart with your Android development. Android Studio is the official IDE for Android development, which is powered by IntelliJ. It has many features such as code completion, automatic suggestions, integrated build system, best-in-class layout editors, and many others to make our Android development easier. In the last video, we have seen how to create an Android application using Android Studio, and now let's see what is the project structure and a few of the features of Android Studio to start your development. In the left hand side, you can see the project view. Here you can hide it and bring it back by clicking in the project section. Here you can see a drop down with Android as label. If you click on that, you can see different options right there. This will give you options to view your project in different ways. You can select project view, packages view, project files view, and many others. Usually I prefer to go with the project view, and this is your project name, my first app. Once you expand this, there you can see app. This is your project module, and further expanding that, you can see libs and source. Libs is the folder where we add any external libraries if we are using any, and the next is the source file, src, inside which we can see the main folder, within that Java folder, resource folder, and the Android manifest XML file. These are the three files we will be working on. The Java folder contains all the Java code files we will be using for our project, and resource folder contains all the resources such as strings, images, videos, colors, which are required for our UI development. Within the resource folder, there are different subfolders: drawables for keeping images, layout for storing our layout file, bitmap. These are the folders we will be using for our application icons, values, different values such as strings, colors, themes, and all we need to store within this. And at last, the Android manifest. The manifest file describes essential information about our project to the Android build system and to the Android operating system. It should contain all the information about the Android components used in our project, the application package name, the permission required for our application, the icon, and many other basic information. So these are the three things you should care about while developing your Android application. And then there is a build.gradle file. Android Studio uses a Gradle based build system to build our Android project to an APK file. So this build.gradle file describes all the information which is required for building your app: the package name, SDK version, targeted SDK, and Java version, and other libraries used in this project, etc. Let's see more detail about this build.gradle file in future videos. And the next is a Gradle. These are all the files related to the build system. We don't need to care much about these files for now, at least. And also I should speak about the build folder. Once you build your project, click make project, build is going on. In the bottom you can see the progress. Yeah, build has been completed, and you can see here a new folder named build has come up. So these are the folders which are generated automatically once we build our project. and within which, if you go to output folder, here you can see the APK file. This is the actual output of our project. And there are many other auto-generated intermediate files inside, which are used to generate our final APK build. So that's enough for the project structure for now. And now let us see the editor, the Java editor. This is the Java code editor of Android Studio, and this is the auto-generated code of our first activity created. Here is where we will be writing our Java code. Here you can see set content view r.layout.activity_main. This is the layout XML file which can be seen under resource in the layout folder activity_main. This activity_main is the layout file of our first activity. So this file is linked to the main activity Java code through this set content view function. So an activity mainly contains a Java file and an XML file. Also in the Android manifest, you have to declare your activity, that is activity name equal to main activity. So let's see more about the layout editor. This is the XML layout editor of Android Studio. In the right hand side, you can see there are three options: code, split and design. If we choose design view, we can see the layout of our activity, and it will be really easy for the beginners to work with the design view to create our activity layouts. In the left hand side, you can see the palette. Here we have all the views available in the Android: text views, button, image view, recycler view, and there are many other options to choose from. We can easily drag and drop these elements to our layout, and we can modify its attribute from the right hand attributes panel. We can change its layout width as 100. It's possible to drag it to the bottom, add a button to this view, radio buttons, check boxes, everything we can drag and drop from the left hand side, and we can rearrange by simply drag and drop in the design view. And from the attribute panel, we can change the attribute values of each element. Once you select a view, the attributes for that view will be displayed. So if you want to change the button text, here is the option to change the button text as login or something. Yeah, it's quite easy to work on design view. And if we go to the code view, we can see all the code automatically generated when we dragged our views through the design view. In the split view, you can see both the code and the design. I personally prefer to work on this split view so that we can see the code and edit it right here. Also, it's possible to view our layout in the real time. Here also you can change the layout width as 200 dp. It's changed. And if you want to add any background equal to black, it's black, and the text color as white. Yes. For beginners, working on this XML file may be a bit difficult. I personally suggest you to work on this XML file and see the design changes right in the right hand side, so that you will get more control on your designs. In the design view toolbar, you have many options to change the way how the design looks in different devices. For example, we can select a 6.3 inch phone. Your design will looks like this. And if you select a 10.1 inch tablet, it will be like this. And in 5-inch phone, also you can click on this layout validation and zoom out this one. You can see all the different device sizes in a single screen. And here you can change to landscape mode. Let's change back to portrait. Hope you got a basic idea about Android Studio, its Java and XML editors, how to work with these editors. So in the next video, let us see how to build your application using Android Studio's integrated build tools, creating an emulator and install your application to that, and how to view the output. So to get notified on future videos, please subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you.